Hey guys, it's 2F0T here. I'm going to be unboxing and setting up the Pawswing Cat Groomer, and I'm really hoping that this grooming box is going to help me take care of my cats, because as someone with just a couple of fingers, it is pretty hard for me to grab the cat, manipulate a grooming brush or a comb, and effectively groom them. It takes quite a while, and the Pawswing is actually really cool because it is really just a box that they go into, and they are incentivized with treat to go in and just enjoy the treat and then walk on out, and there's combs on the outside of it that will groom them as they go in and out. So let's get this thing unboxed. And I actually have a little helper that's going to be helping me unbox it and get it prepared for them. And her name is Hafsa of Hafsa's Hacks. She's going to be starting up her own YouTube channel soon, where she goes over helping me out and some of the hacks that she's figured out to make her life fun. So definitely be on the lookout for her. We're charging up our feeder. Oh, it's napping.
Yeah, and it's probably going to be going crazy on the screen when it's charged.
Okay, all right, start to put it together.
Two hours later.
Hey guys, I'm back. I apologize, but my phone died while I was recording. It took a lot longer than I hoped, but the paw swing is finally together, and it looks good, but I won't deny that it was hard to put together. It is currently in the day one position. As you can see, my little guys are definitely interested. Hopefully they will continue to use it, and I will provide another update every couple days as I adjust the comb inside, and I hope that you will follow along. Thank you. Take care.